Hi guys. Today, IPFighter will show you how to use the FoxyProxy extension to add proxies in the Firefox browser. Using FoxyProxy is really simple, just like Proxy Toggle. Let's watch video for more details. You can also add proxies in bulk in the Import tab. With FoxyProxy, you can easily add proxies to change your IP on Firefox. To turn off the proxy or switch to a new one, just click the FoxyProxy icon on the taskbar, select Disable to turn off the proxy, or choose from the other imported proxies. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll help you out. Good luck!